Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartyincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down the trade that I took on GBPJPY on my FTMO challenge, guys, and I want to show you the results. So this is the results of Golden Incubator that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, but this is the result of my brand new FTMO challenge on the 20,000 pound. And this is the today's profit, April 28th, and these are the trades that I took on GBPJPY. So this is the date, 28th, 2 trades, and here's the challenge. Started yesterday, and I have a month, and I'm up 316 pounds in profit. But this is the trade that I took, and what I want to show you right now, I want to actually delete this. I want to delete this, and I want to do that. I want to actually go backwards and show you exactly what happened at 8 in the morning when I woke up and I was analyzing gold, EURUSD, GBPUSD, NAS 100 and GBPJPY, and also I actually took a trade on GBPJPY. I could take a trade on gold as well, but it was kind of consolidating and I was already off the chart, so I actually took a trade for GBPJPY. So this is what I did right now, and I noticed that we have a huge gap right here with a high probability demand zone exactly below this level. Because of this huge gap, next candle never tapped into the zone, so there's a gap between this candle and this zone right here. So that's why this is a high probability demand zone, and we are right here. Okay, so this is a 5-minute time frame, guys, and I noticed that we also have a gap right here. We had a high probability order block here, which is already tapped. So I wasn't awake to take this trade because it was 7:40. This already happened, and then I was just waiting for the price to see what kind of confirmation it wants to give me. But here is very important, guys. There's an equal support level here. So because the candle literally came in, tapped this level, went up, dropped, tapped this level, and then we have a liquidity right here. See, guys, there's so much liquidity below this zone because there's so many buyers took their position, buy position, put their stop loss here, and that's why there's so much liquidity. So you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. So this is exactly when I said it's gonna come down, it's gonna grab the liquidity, and then it goes up. And see what happens. Boom. And look at this, guys. This candle literally came down, and it didn't even close below this level. It actually wicked up. So this is a shadow. So this is something that, because some buyers put their stop loss here, some of them put it here, it actually grabbed all of them, and this is what I expected to happen, and this is exactly what happened. So all the liquidity is grabbed, the buyers are gone, and it didn't even close below this level. So it means it just wanted to stop them out and then goes toward the direction of the market, which is actually an uptrend. However, I zoomed in, I didn't change my time frame to 15 minutes for now. I noticed that we have this high probability order block, which is our high probability demand zone from here to here. What's the reason? The last bearish candle, and then we had a spike that it actually went out of the box. The next candle never tapped into the zone, so that's why there's a gap between this candle and this zone. That's why it makes it a high probability order block. And guess what? This is exactly what happened to this. This is exactly what happened to this. It literally tapped, respected this level, and then it actually spiked towards upside. So the buyers pushed the price, and the candle closed right here. It didn't close below this level. It didn't disrespect this zone. So I knew that it just wanted to stop out the buyers. So now is the time to stop out the sellers, which in this area and in this area and in this area. So you know that you have liquidity. You got to specify them. You got to identify them first, and then you take your position. And I was ready to take my buy position, and then I actually entered my trade right here. My stop loss was wide here, and then we had a high probability order block, high probability supply zone right here. See, the last bullish candle dropped. The next candle never tapped to this zone, so that's why there's a gap, high probability supply zone, and then I wanted to actually take my trade somewhere around here. So it wasn't exactly 1-to-1, it was a little bit less than 1-to-1, I know, but I was kind of confident about this because I know that the market, what it does is that it goes for the buyers, stop them out, sellers, stop them out, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. And since we have an uptrend market, we know that like the direction is towards upside. It wanted to stop out the buyers and it did, and now we are trading according to the trend, so we want to stop out the sellers. And the closest one, the closest resistance level, which all of the sellers put their stop loss above, is this one right here. So this is the closest resistance level, but since we have this high probability order block above that, I put my TP right here, and this is exactly what happened. And it was off the chart. I was already off the chart. I knew that it's gonna just spike towards upside. It kind of came towards like, my stop loss, and then it actually smashed it right here. This is this was my trade for today. It was a almost one-to-one risk to reward ratio trade, because my stop loss was wide, and just because of this strong wick that kind of got pushed towards upside by the buyers. But it respected this zone, it grabbed the liquidity, and I knew, okay, that's a good sign. It's according to the trend, I'm gonna buy it. The high probability demand zone got respected. The buyers got stopped out, 3 confirmations. Let's get into the trade, set and forget. So if I didn't want to, if I was impulsive and emotional, then I probably would have closed my trade somewhere around here in a small loss. But that's what I'm saying. One thing that I learned about myself is that I need to take a trade and leave, whether it hits the stop loss or the TP. I don't care, I have to leave. That's why I just shut my computer, and then after like an hour or 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I checked my phone and it was actually profit, because I knew it wanted to go towards this way to stop out the sellers, and it actually did, and it respected this zone as well. So this is the trade that I took, and and look at this, guys. Look at this rejection that the sellers are pushing the price downside. So in this case, you can actually arm yourself to be ready to take your sell position below this candle and put your stop loss above the candle and take your one-to-one somewhere around here, because this is exactly what happens. See, you can also do that based on high probability supply and demand zones, but I didn't do that. I wasn't behind the charts. One-to-one was enough for me. Once a day, that's enough. I don't want to get greedy or mess up with my profits. So, but if you wanted to trade it, guys, you got to pay attention, close attention to the formation of the candle after it taps a high probability supply zone or a high probability demand zone. It's very, very crucial, guys. It's very important. If there's no momentum on the zone or in the zone, then you got to wait more. Whether it breaks above or below the zone, that makes it invalid, or it just waits for a better confirmation. Sometimes it kind of consolidates inside the zone and then it drops or spike significantly. In this case, we had these 2 candles that got pushed down by the sellers, because look at this. This is doji, weak, and then this candle literally dropped significantly. But if you wanted to take your trade right after this candle, you still put your stop loss here, but you need to kind of be careful, because this is the closest support level that we have liquidity, and we have a high probability order block here as well, if you pay attention to that. And then you can actually take your trade here. This is a one-to-one after you saw this candle, after you made sure everything is good, and you probably still take the profit, which you could actually make it. You could make it. So, and again, stopped out. So buyers got stopped out. Now it's turn for the sellers. Where are the next ones? Here. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. So buyers got stopped out. This is the lowest point. So we have like support level here. High probability order block. Bullish engulfing candle. Take another buy position here. Put your stop loss below this level. Your TP here. Let's see. Boom. Sellers got stopped out. Easy. Now we are going towards buyers. High probability order block right here, and we'll see whether it's going to respect it or not. And now actually, no, it didn't respect it. It didn't respect it because they wanted to smash the buyers, and it did, because look at this. This is where the buyers put their stop loss and they got stopped out. Now we have this high probability order block here. So it probably tapped this one. So now we gotta wait for this one. This is invalid because it's already used. Now we wait for this one, and the same process goes on and on and on and on. That's it, guys. So I hope that you liked this video for GBPJPY, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so next time when I upload a video, you will get notified fast. And before you go, let me show you the results of Goldie Incubator on our $1,000 account that we installed in March 7th. All the way to April 27th, which was yesterday. The EA is off due to the volatility of the market, so we're gonna turn it back on tonight, and we are up 98.29% in profit, which is $951, and we had a $100 withdrawal as well. And also we created a brand new $2,000 account, which is real, and we started it in April 25th, and we kind of warmed it up for 2 days, and we got a $10 profit in 2 days. So we're going to turn this one as well, turn it on like next week, so it's going to start, you know, trading next week like significantly. And that's it for 2 accounts. We are going to open up a $5,000 account as well, so stay tuned. Join our Telegram channel. You can find the link below in the description. And if you have any question, guys, you know what to do. Drop your comment here, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to grab your license, if you want to trade completely hands-free, go check out smartyincubator.com. Go to Goldie Incubator. When you grab your license, send us your account number, and we'll manually activate your account, and you can enjoy your profits like this. I didn't trade manually. I didn't touch it. It was just coming to my bank account or to my Forex account every single day with 1.33% profit. I hope you're doing well, guys, and